What's up people, it's your girl Kiki. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I use the Aztec clay mask. I've actually replaced my shampoo at the moment with this one and I'm doing this on a weekly basis. So if you don't know already, bentonite clay is like a mud-like substance derived from volcanic ash. Bentonite clay is both cleansing and moisturising, and some of the benefits include drawing out toxins and build-up from your scalp and hair. It's really good for irritated or flaky scalp, and if you have scalp conditions such as psoriasis or dermatitis. It's also really moisturising, and it softens and reduces frizz, and also encourages curl definition and shine. So if you're thinking about this one being a little bit too dry, I wouldn't worry too much, because as you can see in the video, it is still really moisturising for my hair. I am mixing the same amount of apple cider vinegar with the clay. You want to make sure the consistency is still thick enough so it doesn't go everywhere when you pick it up, but it's not too thick at the same time so you can't spread it. When you're putting this onto your hair, you want to start with damp / kind of wet hair. What I did is I wet my hair with warm water before I actually started, and then I just made sure my hair was detangled so it was easy enough for me to rake through the mask and apply it to my scalp and all throughout the length of my hair. I made quite a bit of this because my hair is really dense and thick, so it takes quite a lot of product for me to sort of really get to the roots and get my full hair saturated. So what I did, as you can see in the video, I'm just going through my hair, detangling and putting the clay mask throughout my hair. Now you can see I'm all done with the distribution of the mask, and I'm just getting the few last bits. I had a little bit spare, so I was just making sure my scalp was fully covered and massaging it into my scalp, because that is the main place where you want to make sure it gets to. And as you can see already, my curls are defined. And with the remainder of it, you can just go ahead and pop it onto your skin, because it does double up as a face mask as well as a hair mask, which is really good. I clipped out of the way, and after that I went ahead and put cling film around my head, because you want to avoid it drying out on your hair. So just try and keep it moist if you can with this one, and I left it on for 30 minutes. It's totally up to you, between 10 to 30 minutes, but I left it on for the full 30. This is me just out the shower, fresh out, no conditioner, no nothing. This is just the rinse out result of the bentonite clay mask. As you can see, my curls are lovely and defined and still really moisturised, but give it a go, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video.